So, we're back again, and we've been trying to get this to tighten up.
Guess who's back?
So,
again.
we have
Scotty's back. Tell someone.
the original. It was loose, so instead of actually fixing it, they wrapped solder around it to hold it so it would act as a washer. Well, the reason why it's not working to tighten it up is because when you turn this piece, the inside of the guts of the switch moves. So they broke the switch, so it's rattling around like crazy, and I know the owner doesn't want that to be happening. So now we have to find a way to get the switch out. We're going to have to replace it with a new one, which we actually have a spare one, so it's not a problem. But again, yeah. So Xander's making the bracket for the brake lights, so we can get that all taken care of. We'll finish off the wiring on that and get that done today as well.
You want me to show them?
Yeah, please. Here.
Hi, guys. So, we have the old bracket right here, which was bent and twisted. You know, not very pretty. Looks like a monkey made it. So, we have the new one right here. I'm currently filing down and deburring it, but it's a lot thicker, so it'll hopefully do better. It's still aluminum, but like you can see there, way thicker. So that'll be way sturdier, and hopefully that'll resolve our brake light issue. Hi.
So, I'm trying to get this thing out here. Maybe if you, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. All right. Let's get some, make sure you got light to see.
Oh, wow.
So I'm gonna go up to here. So, can you see the switch okay at the button?
Yeah.
Okay. Hopefully be able to see this. Turn this the right way. See the cap moving?
Yeah.
That's not supposed to move. So it's gonna take a while to undo this. I'm hoping that it'll work, and we can put another new switch in and solve the problem of it making noise. Come on, tell me. Please, please.
Well, we'll get back to you guys here shortly.
And wait. I think. No, I think we're gonna have to break the switch out. Son of a beach nut. Well, it is what it is. Thank you guys for watching.